Welcome everybody to our very first video for AZ Red Hot Scratchers. So today we're playing a $200 million cash explosion. Basically it's a $20 one out here in Arizona that I seem to have some kind of luck on once in a while. A lot of prizes ranging anywhere from $40 to $500. Those are typically the ones I usually hit, nothing above. But hopefully this channel we can do something about that and win some big ones. So basically you're just matching any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win that prize or win the prize shown for that number, reveal a money bag symbol and win $100 instantly. Reveal a 20x symbol and win 20 times that prize. So let's get started. Here are your winning numbers. 34, 46, 7, 5, 6, 23, and 25. That 756 is kind of worrisome. I don't see many numbers like that. Or it could be a good thing. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. And we got 41, nothing. 13, another nothing. 38, nothing there. 28, again nothing. 14, nothing. 11, nada. The ones are usually good for me. If they come up, they're usually a winner somewhere. 32, nothing. 18, nothing. 33, nothing. 50, not a nothing. 19, no. 29, nothing. Uh-oh, won $100 right off the bat on this one. Could it be more? I don't know. Yeah. 30, 10, 45, 24, 48, another 100 in here would be nice, 22, 37, 4, 21, 44, and 16. So all we got was a money bag, but I'm not complaining. It's $100 off a $20 one. Not a bad first video. So hopefully a lot more to come to you guys. We'll go ahead and cut this one off for now. Just go ahead and like, subscribe the video, and we'll have some more coming up for you. Have a good one.